Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's becoming increasingly important in our modern world: the hidden dangers of artificial intelligence, or AI. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and enhance our daily lives, it also brings with it a host of risks that many people may not be aware of. From privacy concerns to ethical dilemmas, the implications of AI technology can be profound and far-reaching. So, buckle up as we delve into the hidden dangers of AI and discuss what you need to know to navigate this complex landscape. The privacy paradox. One of the most pressing concerns regarding AI is its impact on privacy. In an age where data is currency, AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal information to function effectively. AI technologies such as facial recognition and predictive analytics rely heavily on data collection. Surveillance systems are being deployed in public spaces, tracking individuals' movements and behaviors. This raises significant privacy issues. While proponents argue that these systems enhance security, critics contend that they infringe on our rights to privacy and can lead to a surveillance state. Moreover, with data collection comes the risk of misuse and breaches. Companies may not always handle personal data responsibly, leading to leaks that expose sensitive information. High-profile data breaches, like those experienced by major corporations, have shown how vulnerable our information can be. Once data is out there, it can be used for malicious purposes, including identity theft and fraud. Another critical aspect of privacy is the lack of informed consent. Many users unknowingly agree to data collection when using apps or services, often without fully understanding what they are consenting to. This lack of transparency can leave individuals feeling powerless regarding their data and how it is used. Algorithmic bias and discrimination as AI systems become more integrated into various sectors. The issue of algorithmic bias has emerged as a significant concern. AI systems learn from historical data which may contain inherent biases. When these biases are reflected in the training data, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases in decision-making processes. For example, hiring algorithms trained on data from predominantly male employees may unintentionally favor male candidates over female ones, leading to gender discrimination in hiring practices. The implications of algorithmic bias can be dire. In criminal justice, biased algorithms can lead to unfair sentencing or profiling, disproportionately impacting marginalized communities. In healthcare, biased AI systems can result in misdiagnoses or inadequate treatment recommendations based on race or gender. Addressing algorithmic bias is crucial to ensuring fairness and equity in AI applications. Transparency is another critical issue related to algorithmic bias. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are not easily understandable. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to identify and rectify biases, perpetuating systemic issues in society. The employment crisis. AI continues to evolve. The potential impact on employment is a pressing concern. AI and automation have the potential to displace millions of jobs across various industries. According to a report from McKinsey Company, it's estimated that 30% of the global workforce could be displaced by automation by 2030. While some jobs will be created in the AI sector, many workers in industries like manufacturing, retail, and customer service may find themselves unemployed or underemployed. The rapid advancement of AI technology presents a skills gap challenge. Many workers may not have the necessary skills to transition into new roles created by AI. This can lead to increased inequality, as those with access to education and training opportunities thrive, while others struggle to adapt. The economic implications of job displacement can be significant. Regions that rely heavily on industries susceptible to automation may experience economic downturn. Governments and businesses need to collaborate on reskilling initiatives to help workers transition into the new job landscape. Effectively, ethical dilemmas. The rise of AI presents numerous ethical dilemmas that society must grapple with. As AI systems take on more decision-making responsibilities, questions arise regarding accountability. If an autonomous vehicle gets into an accident, who is responsible? The manufacturer, the software developer, or the owner? Establishing clear guidelines and accountability measures is crucial to addressing these ethical dilemmas. The development of AI-driven autonomous weapons is another pressing ethical concern. These weapons could potentially make life and death decisions without human intervention. The implications of this technology are profound, raising questions about morality, accountability, and the future of warfare. AI technologies also have the potential to manipulate individuals. For instance, algorithms that drive social media platforms can create echo chambers, influencing public opinion and behavior. The ability of AI to manipulate information raises ethical concerns about consent and the autonomy of individuals in making informed decisions. The threat of misinformation. The proliferation of AI technology has contributed to the spread of misinformation, which poses significant dangers to society. AI tools can generate realistic deepfake videos and fake news articles, blurring the lines between reality and fake news articles. This technology can be used to spread false information, damage reputations, and manipulate public perception. The ability to create convincing misinformation raises concerns about the integrity of information in our society. As misinformation spreads, trust in media and institutions erodes. People may become skeptical of legitimate news sources, leading to polarization and division. Addressing the issue of misinformation requires collaboration between tech companies, media organizations, and policymakers to develop effective strategies for combating the spread of false information. Regulation is crucial in addressing the threat of misinformation. Governments need to establish guidelines that hold tech companies accountable for the content shared on their platform. Balancing freedom of speech with the need to prevent harm is a delicate but necessary task. The risk of dependency on AI. As we integrate AI into our daily lives, there's a risk of becoming overly dependent on technology. As AI systems take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, we risk losing critical skills. For instance, reliance on AI for navigation could diminish our ability to read maps or understand direction. This dependency can lead to a skills gap, where individuals become less capable of functioning without AI assistance. Over-reliance on AI in decision-making can also be problematic. While AI can provide valuable insights, it's essential to remember that it's not infallible. Blindly following AI recommendations can lead to poor decisions, especially if the underlying algorithms are flawed or biased. Maintaining human agency in decision-making processes is crucial. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, we must ensure that humans remain at the center of decision-making. This requires promoting a culture of critical thinking and discernment, allowing individuals to question and evaluate AI recommendations rather than accepting them at face value. Environmental impact. While AI can contribute to sustainability efforts, it also poses environmental risks that warrant consideration. The development and AI systems require significant compute power, aiding to generate compute power, leading to a generation. Data centers that power AI algorithms consume vast amounts of electricity, contributing to carbon emissions. As the demand for AI grows, so does the need to address its environmental footprint. The rapid advancement of AI technology can also lead to increased electronic waste, e-waste. As organizations upgrade their hardware to accommodate AI capabilities, old devices may be discarded, contributing to a growing e-waste problem. Responsible recycling and waste management practices are essential to mitigating the environmental impact of AI technology. To harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its environmental impact, the industry must adopt sustainable practices. This includes investing in renewable energy sources, optimizing algorithms for energy efficiency, and promoting responsible disposal of electronic devices. Navigating the hidden dangers. As individuals, businesses, and policymakers, we must engage in open discussions about the implications of AI and work collaboratively to develop strategies that prioritize ethics, transparency, and accountability. By navigating these hidden dangers, we can harness the full potential of AI while safeguarding our rights, values, and future. Thank you for joining this important conversation. Let's stay informed and proactive as we move forward into an AI-driven world.